doing? Jesus, dude! Fuck's sake! What the hell, man? Whoa! What are you doing?
Ever since they got rid of the booth there, it's confused me.
Yeah, well, they changed the lanes.
Ooh, excuse you. What the fuck?
Oh my god, this fucking...
Oh my god.
That's an
Oh,
accident.
he hit him,
That's
yeah.
an accident.
Oh.
Idiot. Take your fucking time with it though, dude. Okay. Why?
And much of the grounds have been planted with flowering trees, creating a park-like atmosphere. But that wasn't always the case. In the 1700s, South Cemetery served double duty as both a graveyard and the site of several public
And it's not just something that happened to Amy, it's something that Amy caused. Because when Amy was 21 years old, she shot her little brother.
Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ.
Come on, dude. Well, now I'm gonna back in, because... Oh, you're pulling through. Okay.
Yeah. So all the music I like are bands that I'm performing with and seeing perform every night. Those are my favorite bands.
Yeah. Don't...
Like, my friends are my favorite bands, you know? I don't really fuck with anything that I haven't seen live anymore.
What the fuck are you doing, man? Excuse me. Holy shit. Jesus.
Two lanes to turn left onto Massachusetts 38 South.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
No, that
If
was
they're
me
gonna-
figuring out what
Watch out. Fucking idiot.
stupid shit.
I was down 70. Gotta shoot, blow it up.
Loaded it really good.
In the fucking... Dude, fucking do it, man. Jesus. Nobody here. Just fucking take away. Horrible.
God, yeah, come on. Why do you keep jumping into your... You don't know how to fucking drive. You're so an idiot, bro. Dude. Red light.
Guys, this is a red light. What are you doing? Oh my god.
Come on, bitch. Everybody parents got divorced. A bunch of kids have free lunch and child support. Lots of moms on food stamps and campground sites. And you're still whining about your life?
That's not a fucking stop, dude. Fuck.
I can barely see you in the background. How'd you get there from here? You're still in the same damn town after all these years.
Credit card lets you choose how you earn your cashback rewards. Learn more at td.com/cashcard. TD Bank, unexpectedly human. Restrictions apply. See terms and conditions on tdbank.com or visit a TD Bank store for details regarding the rewards program, rates, fees, and other important information. Credit approval required.
Dude,
Offered by
what?
TD Bank NA.
Stray right through the very heart.
What in God's holy name was that? Buddy, that's a fucking red light. Dude. Come on, man.
Continue on Massachusetts 133 East for 6 miles.
Christ.
What you gonna do?
do it, man.
Oh, he's
Don't
doing
do it, man.
He did it.
Exploring the backcountry, we've got a great selection of skis and boots for men, women, and kids. If trails and woods are more your style, check out our cross-country skis and snowshoes. And don't miss our deep discounts on sail and closeout skis, boots, and bindings. Need gear for just the day? We offer daily rentals of adult downhill ski packages, cross-country skis, and snowshoes. Curious about the uphill skiing craze? We've got daily rentals of complete uphill packages, skis, boots, poles, and skins.
Guys, what are you fucking doing?
Popular ski and snowboard lease program. Leases start at just $149. Also this season.
What are you doing, man?
Oh, the women's team final is happening right now. Oh, the U.S. is currently in first. The thing is currently updating live. So they like just started it because the total is only 44 points.
You can't just stop in the middle of the goddamn road.
Or do something like that in like Maine. But that's the only way to get around here.
Right. Yeah, you would have never made it over here.
Exactly.
If you find a little spot and people don't claim it, you have to claim it.
Oh God.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was cute.
Don't let anybody drive you, huh?
Had an angle and wouldn't go back in the cylinder.
Oh. So the piston itself was like making contact with the...
It wasn't making contact, but it was
Whoa, buddy!
an interesting decision choice.
Change his mind, I guess. Guys, what is this? Just pull into the fucking parking lot, you assholes. Oh. No. Yay, public events.
Oh, this cop's yelling at these double parkers. He's like, fuck no.
Move.
Move.
Yeah, I haven't had any food.
You haven't eaten food yet?
Go.
It's because he got yelled
I
at.
know, he gets in trouble. Dude, he doesn't mean double park there.
Go
Dude.
that way.
Dude.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I know you don't want to go that way, but
Too
you're
fucking
going
bad.
that way.
Oh, we got a crash. Oh, shit. I got my accent back. What the hell was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did, dude.
I gotta get over.
Yeah,
Oh shit! This is the second fucking crash I've driven by today here.
This would be a place where it would happen. I can kind
No,
of see
but
that.
yeah, I've driven past two of these in Portland tonight. What the fuck is? Why everybody fucking crashed into each other?
Sea near the island of Malta. It's thought to be at least 27
Continue on Massachusetts 138 South for half a mile.
of 100 years old and contains some of the oldest Phoenician artifacts ever uncovered. For archaeologists and historians who study these ancient people, The shipwreck has offered new information
What are
and
you
ideas. The ocean takes much from us, and upon occasion, it also gives back. Sometimes, though, what it gives us is something less inspiring. Sometimes it literally gives us back